Hi, my name is Gail Lee, and this is my CIT 336 PowerPoint presentation on how to create and delete cookies with PHP. So what are PHP cookies? Well, they're not these cookies in the bottom corner. Sorry, guys. Tells us up here on top, a cookie is often used to identify a user. For example, could be name, age, or the identification number. Second one says a cookie is a small file that the server embeds on the user's computer, so it's on the local machine for future use. Third one, each time the same computer requests a page with the browser, it will send the cookie to. The local machine keeps it for future use. And lastly, with PHP, you can both create and retrieve cookie values. So to create a cookie with PHP is created with the setCookie function. Here's the syntax. SetCookie, you have name, value, expire, path, domain, and secure. Looking at name, this sets the name of the cookie and is stored in an environmental variable. The value, this sets the value of the name variable and the content that you actually want to store. Expire is the specifying the future time. Could be in seconds, however many you set. Path, this specifies the directories for which the cookie is valid. Domain, this can be used to specify the domain name in very large domains. And lastly, security allows us to set one to specify a cookie should only be sent by regular transmission using HTTPS. Otherwise set 0, which means a cookie can be sent by regular HTTP. And of course, HTTP is not a secure. Only the name parameter is required. All other parameters are optional. So let's look at Visual Code to see a cookie that I created. Okay, so here you see my Visual Code with cookies, the cookie PHP file. And in here it says set cookie. And then the parenthesis has a username, and then my name, Gail, with the time of plus 1,000, which is 16.5 minutes, or 16.5 minutes. If we run that cookie, then we will view the cookie, and in the view it will show you echo, which means it's going to print username colon, and then my name should show up. So let's see how this works. So here you see the local host has been typed in the URL, and if I click on the cookies PHP file, it's blank, showing that the cookies has been run. If we go back and click on View PHP, it shows username Gail, because that's what it showed in the code, echo username Gail. Okay, so let's look at the next slide in PowerPoint. This shows how to delete a cookie. Actually, there's not a way to directly delete the cookie. You have to just use set cookie with an expiration date in the past to trigger the removal mechanism in your browser. So let's look at the Visual Code on how to delete that cookie. So here is my Visual Code. It shows delete cookies PHP. We set the cookie. We have the username, my name, but this time the time is set to -1,000, which puts it in the past. And so what'll happen, it'll come back with the echo, which means show cookie user with the username has been deleted. So let's go to the browser and look at that. Okay, I'm going to go back to localhost again and run the delete cookies PHP. And there you go. It says cookie username is deleted. If I go back and hit the view button again, it's going to show an error because there's no cookie with any usernames in them. So this has been completed. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.